Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm reviewing AliPearl hair. They sent over this beautiful curly unit for me to try for you all today. I'm going to be working with a 5x5 lace, and as you can see from the inside of the cap, I only bleached probably like 4 inches back of this, maybe not even 4, probably like 2 inches back in the front, because I just really didn't feel like bleaching the whole thing. It just wasn't necessary, and you're going to see towards the end of this review how and why that was not necessary. So, showing you guys the inside of the cap. This unit does come with combs that I am going to utilize. They're towards the front, right above the ear. We also have a comb in the back and adjustable straps. I'm not going to do the adjustable straps because this unit was made to fit my head perfectly. So this one was made, I think it's 23, if I'm not mistaken. So it has more than enough space for me. This is exactly how I like for my wigs to fit. Not super snug. I like for them to have a little bit of room and the ability for me to adjust it. So I'm going to install it today using the Eben Wonderlace Bond Adhesive Spray. This one's in their black can. This one's the Extreme Firm Hold Supreme. What I really like about this product is how fast it dries. It dries so quick that honestly the use of a blow dryer is very unnecessary. Also, can we speak on the fact that the residue, you know how you get like the white buildup from other sprays? This one, I felt like that was just non-existent, and it literally just held that wig in place, y'all. In place until I was ready to take it off. I'm going to use my Edge Pomade stick, of course, to push my hair back first before using that spray. I do like to have my roots kind of flat and also just pushed out of my face. With all my wigs, I feel like it just makes it for an easier, cleaner process. And then I'm going to use my hot comb, of course, to push the hair back. It flattens the roots, it pushes your hair back, it molds it. Hot comb comes in use for so many reasons. So if you do not have a hot comb, I suggest grabbing you one up, especially if you are interested in starting to wear wigs. So from that little parting space, you guys can see how well that bleach took, okay? Because you literally see no knots. And I'm just going to work on spraying the lace down right there. I do feel like making or applying your spray or adhesive, it does help lace melt into your skin and become more non-existent or invisible. So if you have the spray, I suggest using it. It really, really helps with just disappearing that lace. And to get it down in place, I am still going to go in with my blow dryer, and I'm also going to use this satin wrap cap that AliPearl provided in the packaging today to melt that into my skin. And while that is setting into place, we're going to work on styling it. So I wanted to do a side part today. I'm doing the left part on my head today, and then I'm going to work on the roots, getting those flat, but still kind of staying away from the hair because I still wanted to have that big hair look. So I wanted to make sure that I don't add any heat throughout the entire wig, only towards the roots. Once I'm done flattening the roots out, we're going to move on to taking off that satin wrap and then just prepping the parting space, prepping my wig basically. So there was an area where it kind of bled a little bit more with the bleach, so I am going to go in with my mascara wand and just fix up those little areas that need correction. You can also use like a root touch up or something like that that can be found on Amazon. Then we're going to move on to cutting the lace off, which is another very simple project. All you have to do is kind of diagonally cut the unit, or cut the lace, I'm sorry. Cut that lace off so that way it will be pretty invisible once you get finished cutting it. And then you can go back over it with a little bit of spray wherever you miss some areas to get that to melt right into your skin. Now we'll get on to correcting those lighter areas of my hair. So like I said, using that mascara wand to kind of camouflage any spaces where it might have bled over. And then we're going to move on to some makeup into the parting space just to whiten it up a little bit and make it more visible. And then just because I'm OCD, I'm going to go back in on those roots a little bit more with my edge pomade stick and my hot comb because I wanted to make sure I got that very, very flat. Then I just feel like it needed a little extra pizzazz in the front, so I'm going to add a little baby hair swoop. I'm going to cut that hair diagonally, use my little small flat irons, which I got literally so long ago. I was in high school when I got these, so I don't know where they're from. You could probably find some though on Amazon for sure. And then I'm just going to swoop that little baby hair. I was trying to go for that light fluffy look, but it wasn't working out, so we just left it with the original swoop. And then once I did that, that was pretty much it. So I did go off camera and literally just wet my hands and run it through the hair. I didn't drench the wig at all because I still wanted it to have that big hair look. But that was pretty much it, you guys. So overall, 10 out of 10 wig. I really love the pattern, really love the color. Had slight shedding, no tangling or anything like that. So if you guys are interested in it, check out my link below. It will be ready there. It'll be there for you if you decide to purchase this unit from AliPearl. Thank you to AliPearl for sending over today's wig. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye, y'all.